Hi friends, good morning. Today we are going to discuss another session of Laplace transform which is based on the shifting theorem 3. So based on shifting theorem 1 and 2 we have done lot of problem in the previous lectures. I am recommending to watch those videos before coming to this session. So the third shifting theorem is based on inverse Laplace transform is, that is Laplace inverse of 1 by s f of s, that is equal to integral 0 to t Laplace inverse f of s dt. Okay, so this you can verify using the basic results we know. See, Laplace of 1 by s square, Laplace inverse of 1 by s square, that you know, that is t, right? So let us check this as getting or not. Okay, using this shifting theorem we are getting the same result or not. So for this I am writing Laplace inverse. This 1 by s square I am going to write as 1 by s into 1 by s. Okay, so here the f of s is 1 by s and here also there is a 1 by s as the part of the formula. That is integral 0 to t Laplace inverse of 1 by s. Okay, Laplace inverse of 1 by s. Okay, so that's the result. So what is Laplace inverse of 1 by s? Okay, Laplace inverse of 1 by s we already know. Laplace inverse of 1 by s, that is 1, right? Okay, so this will be the result. Laplace inverse of 1 by s, that is equal to 1. That also a basic result we have studied. So that is integral 0 to t. What is Laplace inverse of 1 by s? That is 1 dt. So here t. So that is equal to dt on integration, you will get t, and 0 to t, that is t minus 0, that is equal to t. So we reached to the same result which confirms this result. Okay, so to do the complicated functions we can easily use this result. So let us check some examples. See, here you have one example. Laplace inverse of 1 by s into 1 by s into s plus 3. So this I can write as Laplace inverse of, right, 1 by s into 1 by s plus 3. So here this term will be f of s. So the result of this will be, you can apply this result, integral 0 to t Laplace inverse of, what is f of s? That is 1 by s plus 3, 1 by s plus 3 dt. Now what is Laplace inverse of 1 by s plus 3? That we already know, that is integral 0 to t, that is 1 by s, that is 1, but there is a plus 3 added with the constant term added with this s, so you have to multiply with e raised to minus 3t dt, which is on integration you will get e raised to minus 3t divided by minus 3, but the limit is 0 to t. So when I am substituting this result, that is minus 1 by 3 into e raised to minus 3t minus e raised to 0, that is 1, right? So I can write this as e raised to minus 3t, that is I can write this as 1 by 3 into 1 minus e raised to 3 minus 3t. Okay, so whichever result in the options given, based on that you can rearrange this. Okay, so this will be the result. Now let me do another example. See, what is Laplace inverse of 1 by s into s square plus s square? That is I can write this as Laplace inverse of 1 by s into 1 by s square plus s square, right? So this I can write as Laplace inverse of, using this result, integral 0 to t, okay, integral 0 to t Laplace inverse of f of s is 1 by s square plus a square. Okay, that is dt. Okay, what is Laplace inverse of 1 by s square plus a square? So if I have one a here, I can divide here a. So a by s square plus a square, that we know, that is 1 by a into integral 0 to t. A by s square plus a square, that is Laplace inverse is sin at dt, right? So that is equal to 1 by a into sin at, that's on integration. We have minus cos at divided by a, right? So minus 1 by a square cos at. So that will be the result. Okay. Now we have one more question, right? That is Laplace inverse of 1 by s square into s plus a, right? So this I can write as Laplace inverse of 1 by s into 1 by s into 1 by s into s plus a, right? So we have to take f of s as this is our f of s. Okay, so by applying this limit, we have to take we can apply this result, that is 0 to t into Laplace inverse of 1 by s into s plus a. Okay, 1 by s into s plus a dt. Okay, so this is the equation 1 I am keeping here. Now Laplace inverse of 1 by s into s plus a, that I can again do by the same equation. What is the result? That is, I am doing integral 0 to t Laplace inverse of this s plus a, Laplace inverse of this is 1 by s and this is f of s. So 1 by s plus a dt, that is equal to, so here we are going to apply the result. We are applying this result two times here. So 0 to t Laplace inverse of 1 by s plus a, right? So that result is Laplace inverse of 1 by s plus a, that is e raised to minus at, right? So integral 0 to t e raised to minus at dt, right? So e raised to minus at dt on integration we have, that is e raised to minus at divided by minus a, right? Which is on substituting the interval. We have minus 1 by a out and e raised to minus at minus e raised to 0, that is 1. Okay, so this is this you can calculate using this formula. And again this Laplace inverse of 1 by s into s plus a, that I can substitute here. Okay, this second result I am going to substitute in the first result. So let me write this as integral 0 to t. Okay, so I can write here. So integral 0 to t, integral 0 to t 1 by integral 0 to t, here Laplace inverse of 1 by s into s plus a, that result is I am going to substitute here, that is minus 1 by a e raised to minus at minus 1, okay, dt. So this will be the final result. So I am going to erase the remaining parts before come to the integration. Okay, so what is the integral of this? 1 minus 1 by a I can take out, e raised to minus at on integration, e raised to minus at divided by minus a, right? Minus this dt on integration I will get t. Okay, the final limit is again 0 to t, right? So minus 1 by a into, if I am substituting this here, if I substitute again t e raised to minus at by minus a minus this again t. When I am substituting lower limit t, when substituting 0, that part will be 0 here, e raised to 0, that is minus 1 by a, right? So that will be equal to minus 1 by a. So let me simplify this, that is this minus I can open the bracket, right? So that is 1 by a square e raised to minus at. Here we have minus, here minus, here also t by a, right, t by a, and here minus minus minus, that is plus 1 by a square, right, minus minus minus, so minus 1 by a square, right, minus 1 by a square. So this will be the final result of this, 1 by a square e raised to minus at plus t by a minus 1 by a square. Okay, so this will be the final result. And then we can do, so here one question is given like this. So the inverse Laplace transform of, so I am not erasing this result, let me check with this result, the answer is getting correct or not. Okay, so I can erase this, keeping the final result here. Okay, so our question, the last question which we have done is this, right, Laplace inverse of 1 by s square plus s plus a. So here you have a question, 1 by s square inverse Laplace transform of 1 by s square. Here a changes to 1. Okay, so you have to follow the same method. Okay, so when you substitute this a is equal to 1, let me check we are getting the same result or not. Suppose here if you substitute a is equal to 1, so e raised to minus t plus t minus 1. Okay, so which of the option showing the same result? Yes, this one, right, t minus 1 plus e raised to minus, so C is the option. Okay, so this way we can do the problems. This is a previously asked net question. Okay, so this all about this session. Here the solution is given. Okay, e raised to minus t plus 1. I have given the steps also. You may go to this. Okay, now in the next section we will discuss about how to solve differential equation using this inverse Laplace transform. Okay, thank you.